Organization Theory and Behavior, first unit, last part, for MCOM General and MCOM FA, semester 2nd. Significance of organizational behavior. Significance of organizational behavior. The difference between two organizations is attributed to the committed attitude, aptitude, values, norms, and performance of employees. These factors, along with other factors, determine the human behavior. The other factors include social, cultural, political, economic, and structural. All these factors influence the behavior of human resources. All these factors will influence the behavior of human resources. This is called as significance of organizational behavior. Next one, human behavior and human resources. Human resources play a crucial role in the development process of modern economics. There are great differences in development between the countries which seems to have roughly equal resources, so it is necessary to inquire into difference in human behavior. It is often felt that through the exploitation of natural resources, availability of natural and financial resources, it is in fact said that all development comes from the human behavior. Next one, human behavior in the nation's well-being. Human behavior in the nation's well-being. A nation with abundance of physical resources will not benefit itself unless human resources make use of them. So this is very much important in human behavior in the nation's well-being. Next one, human behavior and organizational performance. Organizational performance can be measured against organizational objectives like market share, rate of profit, product innovation, customer satisfaction, and employee satisfaction. Appropriate human behavior contributes to the employee's commitment towards organizational goals. In effect, employee values, attitude, and other behavior issues shape the employee behavior that would be appropriate for achieving organizational performance. Thus, appropriate human behavior contributes for the organizational performance. Employee commitment in its turn depends on appropriate leadership style, human values, self-motivation, appropriate perception and learning. Thus, behavior issues of employees determine the level of success in crafting and achieving the organizational strategies. Appropriate and adaptable human behavior enables the organization to develop employee commitment to organizational strategies. In addition, appropriate behavior encourages the employees to acquire and develop required hard skills like technical skills, knowledge and competency. Organization also invest in the development of technical skills and knowledge of those employees whose behavior is quite appropriate for the achievement of organizational strategies. And the next one is human behavior and strategic advantage. Human behavior and strategic advantage. Strategic advantage includes achieving low cost advantage, high quality, superior customer innovation and superior speed in producing and delivering a product or service. Committed employees with appropriate technical skills contribute to achieve highest human efficiency, which in turns make the operations at lower cost. This is very important in operations at the lower cost. Next, the last one, human behavior and efficient human resource management. Human behavior and efficient human resource management. Appropriate human behavior helps for positive and efficient human resources management in terms of employee satisfaction, fair treatment of employees, training and continuous learning, performance management, employee counseling, mentoring, building teams, subordinate relations as well as human relations, sound salary and benefits, different type of incentives. Thus appropriate behavior brings about the efficient management of human resources. Thus appropriate human behavior helps not only efficient human resource management but also envisages strategic management, which ultimately leads to achieving high level of organizational performance also. So this is the last part in first unit.